everyone, this is Priyasha Das from CrackZat and XLRI alumni discussing with you today what's the most apt period in which anyone can really crack ZAT or any such entrance examination when it comes to MBA. So the answer is very simple. Well, before I tell you my apt one, I would just let you know that there are various videos on internet that and many people also saying that 1 month is enough or 2 months is enough or stuff like that. And I would never deny that they are wrong. They might be true because their foundation is different. So when it comes to an average set of people, like those who have some common general traits, like really have lost connect with maths or are not into solving such puzzles, which those people who completed the syllabus in 1 month are more interested into, then the apt solution or the answer for this question is 120 days, I would say. 120 days is really apt for anyone to crack this examination if you're serious, if you're ready to give more than 4-5 hours every day, or at least in a week you just get around a lot of time in the weekends to get it done. So 120 will be done, and this is just a reminder video to let you know that there is exactly 150 days left for the ZAT examination. Yes, the ZAT 2026. And if you're really serious about this, or even consider this as the second best option for yourself, then it is right time for you people to get started with your preparation. This week itself, I'll be releasing a detailed day-by-day planner for you people so that you are on your track. And if you are also giving CAT along with ZAT, then you can comment below and let me know so that I can prepare a combined preparation plan for you so that you can do well in the CAT exam as well and then prep up accordingly for the ZAT exam as well. So comment CAT plus ZAT if you are one of them, and if I see ample comments, then I will understand that I have to prepare a combined syllabus for you or a combined timetable for you, and I'll be releasing that pretty soon this week only. Okay, see you in the next video guys. Till then, all the very best, and the countdown begins now.